Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna to share you another tip how to design or how to create the set menu template, but you no need to install the Photoshop or Illustrator in your PC. Just have the Microsoft Word only. So this is the private tips or secret tip that some work in the food and beverage service or in the hotel doesn't know about that. So today you will know and you will get the tips from my channel. So make sure if you like my video, please share and then give me more for support. It means if you like my video, you can share to another social media. You can press button subscribe for more knowledge. So here is my channel. Okay, so now we are going to the points together. So this is the sample how to make the set menu design like this. Okay, so this is open in Microsoft Word. Okay, not I use Photoshop for design program. Okay, so let's see together where I can make this and where I take it from somewhere. Okay, so let's look together. The first thing, you open the Microsoft Word. I just key in Wittenberg. Yeah. Now you can see this is the previous file that opened for the menu. Okay, this template you can go, you can take it that easy for create, like if you have the guest booking in your restaurant, you can make this one like to put or key in all the set menu choice in your workplace. So this one I would like to click on the blend. Okay, so you will got another file of Microsoft Word. So the first thing you should be go to the file, okay, and then you click add new. So over here you will see the suggest and search like business, cards, flyer, radar, education, resume, collateral. That is one is the important on because you are student when you finish your education or you graduate in your skill, or when you graduate at university, you can use this one for choose the sample of the CV. Okay, so I go back, just click on home. So I key in on the search column and I press food menu. Okay, and then I enter it. So you will see a template is beautiful and look attractive. So this one is retro menu, dinner party menu, scroll dinner party menu. Okay, so everything has the templates already. You can scroll down. Okay, you can see any styles. Okay, if you want to get any style, you can double click on it. So it means this one I click and I show you the first times already. So now I would like to get that one is a dinner parties menu. Just click on here. So it's mean they will download it. So we click it already. So now we got the template. Okay, no need to taking time design on Photoshop or Illustrator. Okay, so the background is have the flower and ribbons already. Also everything has been arrangement. Okay, so you just key in like salad. Okay, you can key in the name of salad and ingredient or category of the menu. Just Caesar salad only, chicken salad. Okay, so this is the example like that. Okay, so if you want to have any course, okay, you can key in another course also. So I just show you, but it's not I put more or any cost. Okay, just salon. Okay, just fry with see a t-shirt right here. Just banana example. Okay, just like that. Okay, so now just control and letter P, you will get the reviews. Okay, so now you got a properly and beautiful attractive the set menu designs already. So that's all. If you want to get anything, just go to the files and open the new. You can key in. Okay, example, I want to create so many flyer. I click on here. Okay, so any flyers on the templates already. This one is the good tips and secret tip of the day. Okay, I can say like that. Okay, so the last, please share this video to another social media and give us for support more